Okay, hello and welcome to a very stormy Maldives. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my overwater villa at the Nautilus resort in Baa Atoll. Baa Atoll is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, which basically means that the sea life here is particularly impressive. So it's a great place for snorkelers, divers, you see lots of dolphins, manta rays, things like that. So you immediately walk into the living area. The loveliest feature here for many people will be the glass flooring, which I'm standing on right now, and you sometimes see fish swimming directly beneath the property. There is your minibar facility. And I'm going to try and step out a little bit onto the deck here, but it is getting so stormy. So the Maldives isn't always a paradise. I won't go out much further, but you've got this expansive deck here, a lovely pool, swinging daybed over there, and a stair that leads directly down into the sea. Although we have been told, and it's very obvious if you take a look, that it's not safe to swim today. But still, this is a lovely place to relax. Big TV over there. Then walking into the bedroom, it's huge again. There's only 26 villas here and they are colossal. This is a really premium resort, but it's very folksy, I think, and quite homely. It's a little bit chilled compared to lots of the very fancy flash resorts. So I'm not sure if you can really make it out in the video, but there's a super high ceiling there above us. Lots of storage here to my right, desk, TV again, the bedroom looking out towards the pool and the sea, and then you walk into your very big bathroom. So there's a toilet just back there, big standalone bathtub, dual sinks, and I'll just quickly show you the shower. There I am as well. Toiletries are by the British brand Penhaligon's. I'm not sure why they've used that brand. And then again, looking out from the bathroom, you can see very rainy weather here in the Maldives. So that's it. An overwater, one bedroom villa at the Nautilus in Baa Atoll in the Maldives.